Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook page number 108. Okay, in the last offline classes we have already started this, page number 106. We have already started this chapter, games we play. Okay, so page number 106, write the names of all the games maintained in the lesson in the table below. Make a house in front of those games that one played indoors, and against the outdoor games make a tree. Don't forget to write the number of players needed for the game. If some other things are also needed to play the game, then write their names as well. Okay, see this picture. Name of the games mentioned in the lesson. So first one, name of the game. Okay, next, house or tree. Next, number of players. Number of players. And things needed. THINGS, things, NEED. Okay, so first one, that is number 1, hopscotch. HOPSCOTCH. 2, langritang. LANGRHI tang. TAANG. Number 3, hide and seek. HID, hide, and SEEK. 4, seven tiles. SEVENTILES. 5, kabaddi. KABADDI. 6, marbles. MARBLES. 7, wrestling. WRESTLING. 8, gulli danda. GILLIDANDA. Okay, so that is 3, house, tree, that is 3, that is tree. And next, house, and next tree. Number of players. Okay, 4 to 5, and then 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, usually 8 per team, 8 per team, 5 to 7, 2, at least 2. Okay, and next, things needed, that is marker. Next, nothing needed. NEED. Hiding place. 7 rocks. Nothing needed. NEED. Marbles. Nothing needed. THING. NEED. And last one, gulli and danda, Gilli and danda. Okay. Next, do you play any game similar to hopscotch? What do you call it and draw the figure that you make to play the game in the space below. Okay, you will do in your copy or book. Okay, next, do you play some games with your family members? Which games and with whom? Then I erase the board. So family member, and games. Family member, father. Next, brother and sister, and next, mother. So father, that is cricket, cricket, ludo, brother and sister, and mother, badminton. Okay. And next, do you know the name of any famous sports person in your area? If yes, write her or his name and the game with which she or he is associated. So yes, answer is yes. Mahendra Singh Dhoni or Sourav Ganguly. Saurav Ganguly. He is associated, associated, associated with cricket. Okay. Next, how many games do you know which we play with a ball and write their names in the ball? Next, this is number 1. Number 2, that is basketball, football, cricket, table tennis, tennis. Have you heard? Next question. Have you heard of Sania Mirza? She also plays a ball game. Find out which one and write its name. Number 3. Yes, I have heard of Sania Mirza. She is a tennis player. Tennis. Player. Okay. Which game do you like the most? I like badminton or cricket. Okay. Next, find out from the elders in your family or in the neighborhood which games did they play when they were children. So next, number 5, cricket, marbles, gulli danda, and hide and seek. Okay. Next, 109 page number. Match the riddles with the picture. write the name of the game in the given shape. Small and colored are these glass balls. To win the game, you have to aim with them all. So first one, that is marbles. Okay. Next, number 2. If you land on a snake, do not frown. In this game, you go up and down. That is snakes. Snakes and ladders. Ladders. Number 3. It has no wings, but it can fly high up in the sky. That is kites. Kites. On the board are squares, black and white. There's the king, the queen, and the knight. That is chess. Number 4. Chess. Number 5. King, queen, ace, and jack. 52 of them make a pack. That is cards. And last one, 4s and 6. If you can get a century is sure, I can wait. That is cricket. Okay. So next, last page. Page number 110. Beside playing, what else do you do? Watching TV, listen to music, read storybook, and solve Sudoku. Okay. And beside their work, what else do your family members do? And color the picture which show what your family members do in their free time. Okay. You may color this picture. First, reading, stitching and embroidery, dancing, chatting, looking after plants, and collecting stamps. Okay. So next class we will start our workbook question answer.